Today I'm going to show you guys how we made those Hocus Pocus style hot cocoa bombs. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. I'm going to show you guys how we made our super cute Hocus Pocus style hot cocoa bombs. I do have a more extensive and detailed video. I'm going to link it right here if you guys want to go and watch that for a little bit more detail, because this is just going to be a quick video. You need silicone molds. These are about 2.5 inches wide. I got them on Amazon. I'll link it here in the description for you guys. What else do we need to make hot cocoa bombs? We need chocolate. For these ones, I obviously changed the color so they could be Hocus Pocus style, so we used white chocolate and they were just colored candy melts. You can get those anywhere, at any craft store, anywhere around. You also need a paintbrush that's washed and cleaned. And now we are gonna melt our chocolate, pop it in the microwave for about a minute, and then we are gonna just get our little paintbrush and we're gonna start painting around our mold. You can see I'm just covering all the sides, the bottom, cover it all. We're gonna cover it all in our chocolate, whatever color you guys choose. In this case, we are making orange, purple, and green because it's Hocus Pocus. And then after you get all of your molds painted, put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes, bring them out, put a second coat of chocolate because you don't want them breaking when you pop them out of your molds. It's very important to do a second coat of chocolate. All right, pop those back in the freezer. And now we're gonna pop out the molds. They should be nice and shiny. Also, if you guys want, before you start putting chocolate in your molds, wipe a little bit of vodka in the little silicone molds, and that will help make the chocolate shine. We popped out the chocolate. Now we want to get rid of some of those rough edges. So I just have a hot plate here. I'm going to pick up our little chocolate and I'm going to just kind of set it really carefully right on that hot plate. And you can see it cleans off those edges so they're nice and smooth. All right, we're going to do that to all of our chocolate here. And now we need to fill these hot cocoa bombs. We're gonna fill them today because it's Halloween. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of pumpkin spice hot chocolate right here into our chocolate. And you can do whatever kind of chocolate you guys want, but we're just going Halloween here. We're gonna also fill them with some mini marshmallows and of course some sprinkles, because you know, I love sprinkles. And now that we have them filled, it's time to close them and make them look like a hot chocolate bomb. All right, we're gonna do the same thing, you guys. We get our hot plate, we'll pick up the half that is not filled with hot chocolate, and we're gonna put it right on the hot plate. Make it, just kind of move it around so it kind of gets melty around the side. Don't leave it there too long, and then we're gonna stick it right on top of the other one. And if you wanna just kind of leave it there, that's fine, so that it will dry. I like to put them in a cupcake liner just so that they sit well and then they can dry. I would usually have them sit for about an hour before you actually put them in your milk and drink them. Or you can keep them on the counter for a few days and they'll sit really nice. When you're ready to drink some hot chocolate, we have to get this bomb breaking open and drinking all the good stuff. We're just gonna place our hot cocoa bomb in our cup. Then I just warmed up some milk in the microwave, and now we're just gonna dump it right on top of this hot cocoa bomb and watch the magic happen. I mean, really, it's kind of fun, little spooky drink, because the colors of the chocolate definitely turn the milk green or orange or purple. So fun, so spooky, and I hope you guys love them. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Have an awesome spooky day.